Assalamualaikum, my dear students. Hope you all are fine, safe, and healthy. We are on chapter number 13, Air Pollution, and lesson 3. So, this is our page number 143 to 145. So, let's begin with this. And so, objectives of lesson 3. In this lesson, you will learn effects of human activities and greenhouse effect. So I'm having a question over here that do you know how does planting trees help to clean up the air? So you have to give your responses in the chat box, and I will read your answers through the chat box. Effects of human activities on the environment. So everything on earth is linked. If one or more links are broken, life on earth may end. Environmental threats will slowly break the links unless we do something about it. So you have to keep this thing in your mind that all the things that are present in our environment, they are linked with each other. So let's discuss that how human activities affect the environment. So we shared the earth environment with many other forms of living thing. Agree that our shared environment must be taken care of. So industrialization and the rapid increase in human population decreases the quality of our environment. And now you know that there are different industries that are present in our environment, and all of them are actually increasing the fumes that you can say that the fossil fuels, they burn the fossil fuels, and of course when the fumes are coming out, they are mixed into our environment and they cause the air pollution. And similarly, when we talk about the human population, so the population is more as compared to the resources. So when the resources are less, so definitely it will decreases the quality of our environment. Is it clear? Now you know that some human activities such as burning of too much fossil fuels, cutting down of tree, improper dumping of littering, all these factors lead us to environment threats such as greenhouse effect, the thinning of ozone layer, and acid rain. So as now we will discuss the greenhouse effect, but in our upcoming classes we will discuss about the global warming, we will discuss about the thinning of the ozone layer and the acid rain as well. Okay, now we are having this greenhouse effect. A greenhouse is made up of glass and is used to keep plants warm in temperate countries. Now they are talking about the terminology that is temperate. So here temperate means that moderate. So and the temperature varies in these regions, and there will be changes in the temperatures like in summer and winters, so that the plant can grow well. And we know that the greenhouse trap the sun energy inside and keep the plants warm. Especially we use the greenhouse for plants, especially for plants that in winter, so that it will our plants get warm in winter. And greenhouse gases in the earth atmosphere act like the glass of greenhouse by letting in the sunlight and preventing the heat given off from escaping back into the space, and this is called greenhouse effect. Is it clear? If you have any confusion, you may ask. Okay. Now the misbalancing of gases in the atmosphere, like we are having the carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, oxides of nitrogen. So they all are the natural occurring greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, oxides of nitrogen are naturally occurring greenhouse gases, and they help to keep the earth at the right temperature for living things. And of course, when we use these gases, and they will actually, imbalance the our atmosphere, because if we talk about the motor vehicles, we are using too much. And when we are using too much motor vehicles, or the fossil fuels inside the factories, so these kinds of things will create air pollution more. And when the excess of these gases are present in our environment, so definitely it will disturb the you know uh, the atmosphere, and result we are having that will result in the air pollution. Is it clear? So this is all about our today's lecture. So now if you have any confusion regarding the topic, you may ask.